Let me tell you something most guys don't want to hear. If you're trying to make a woman obsessed with you, you're already doing the wrong thing. Because obsession doesn't come from effort, it comes from impact. And once you understand this, everything changes. Now listen closely. By the end of this video, you'll know the one shift that flips attraction from you chasing to her thinking about you when you're not even around. Stay with me. Here's the problem most men face. They try harder when they feel behind. They text more when they feel uncertain. They give more when they feel replaceable. And it feels logical, but attraction doesn't respond to logic. It responds to emotion, and emotion is created by contrast. Let me explain the real secret. What actually creates obsession? The secret isn't ignoring her. It isn't compliments. It isn't confidence tricks. The real secret is this. You make her feel something she doesn't feel with everyone else. Not excitement, not validation, but emotional tension. That moment where she's calm with other guys, but slightly unsettled with you, in a good way. And the fastest way to create that is by not needing anything from her, which connects directly to the first shift. Shift 1. Remove the pressure. Think about your own life. When you're burned out, behind on goals, or stuck in a rut, you cling harder to whatever feels good. That energy leaks. She feels it in your texts, your tone, your timing. So instead of trying to win her, you slow down. You respond when you want to, not when you're anxious. You talk because you're curious, not because you're afraid of losing her. This instantly changes the dynamic. But here's the thing. If you slow down without direction, you just become passive. So we add the second shift. Shift 2, give her unfinished business. People don't obsess over what's complete. They obsess over what's unfinished. That's why cliffhangers work. That's why you replay conversations in your head. So stop explaining everything. Stop over-clarifying. Stop dumping your thoughts. Say less, but mean more. End conversations on a high point. Leave before the energy drops. Let silence do some of the work. And if you're thinking, but what if she forgets me? She won't, because uncertainty sticks. Now, quick pause. If this is already making sense, subscribe and drop a comment. I read them and I build future videos around what you're struggling with. Let's keep going. Shift 3. Be consistent, not clingy. Here's where most guys get confused. They think being mysterious means disappearing. It doesn't. Attraction grows from predictable unpredictability. She knows who you are. She knows how you show up, but she never feels like she fully has you. You're present, but not always reachable, like someone with a full life. And speaking of life, everything so far collapses if you skip this next part. Shift 4. Have a direction that isn't her. This is where obsession really starts. A woman doesn't obsess over a man who revolves around her. She obsesses over a man who's going somewhere. Goals, routine, self-respect. Not because it impresses her, but because it gives her something to step into. If your life feels empty, you'll try to fill it with attention. If your life feels full, attention comes to you. And that leads perfectly into the last shift. Shift 5. Let her earn you. Here's the quiet truth. People value what they invest in, so stop trying to earn her approval. Instead, let her earn access. Ask her opinion. Let her help. Let her initiate sometimes. Not as a test, but as a signal that you're not chasing. When she invests emotionally, her brain justifies it by wanting you more. That's how obsession forms, not through control, but through choice. Quick recap. Remove pressure. Create emotional contrast. Leave things unfinished. Be consistent, not clingy. Build a life she steps into. Let her invest. That's the formula. Now try this tonight. Say less than usual. End the conversation first. Focus on one thing that moves your life forward. And notice what changes. And if you want to go deeper, if you want a full breakdown of attraction without looks or money, watch the next video here. It shows how to build this mindset permanently so you're never chasing again. I'll see you there.